Okay, boys and girls, this is our reading lesson. Today you're going to be reading a story called Susan B. Anthony Takes Action. This story is fairly similar to the story that you read yesterday about Elizabeth Leads the Way. Elizabeth Leads the Way. It's very similar to that story. So as you're reading this story, I want you to try and think about how this story compares to that story that we read yesterday. So this is a biography, the same as the story we read yesterday. And anyway, a biography is a story about a person's life that somebody else has written about them. Okay, so as you're reading, think about how the author uses comparisons and contrasts to show how life was different for men and women during Susan B. Anthony's time. So this is another story about women earning or getting the right to vote, the same as the Elizabeth story that we read yesterday. So along with the biography, so this story has timelines and sidebars, and those are text features that often appear with biographies stories. So anyway, there will be a question set that goes along with the story, the same as we did yesterday. And boys and girls, I need you to answer the questions more specifically. You're just giving me general, just really not very good sentences. I need you to use details in your sentences. I need you to write complete sentences. Don't just give me one or two word answers. You need to expound on your answer. You could restate the question in your answer. Remember, restate the question in your answer and then answer it using details from the story. Go back into the story and find details. I know you can do that because you were doing that before we got out of school, before we left to do this homeschooling. So I know you can do it. So you're going to read the story, answer the question set, and then there will be a worksheet about possessive nouns, or no, not possessive nouns, about pronouns. There will be a grammar sheet about pronouns, and then there is the vocabulary crossword puzzle. So get your work done, and I hope you have a good day.